Hey, go getters, I just found out a strange, to me, I'll call it a strange, silent, profitable business that's quietly making people millionaires. Oh my God. I never knew this kind of business exists. Hi, go getters. Welcome to day 6 of our 31 days journey to financial independence. I am so excited about this series. I have learned a lot through this series. If you are also excited and you've learned one or two, please drop it in the comment section. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, you are welcome. My name is Victoria Odein, a YouTuber and the founder of Onove Scent Limited, a perfume company that is into the bulk purchase of perfume oil and perfume oil accessories. So we are on a journey, a 31 days journey, where I bring to you each day one lucrative business that can bring you closer to financial independence. The businesses I share here are businesses you can start as a side hustle or are businesses that you can grow into full-blown company that can also feed your generations to come. Sounds like what you're interested in. Please do not make today your last. Smash that subscribe button, turn on notification bell, share this video to your family and friends. You don't know who this video can be of help to. And what is that business? Cow bone business. Yes, the cow that we eat. Cow bone business. Are you shocked? Like, when I found out about this, I was shocked. Okay, the bones that people throw away, people see as a waste, is actually making people millionaires. I just found out recently that cow bone is used for a lot of lucrative things. When I got to know about this business, I decided to go to do a bit of research about this, and I found out that, permit me to, I wrote it here, permit me to look into my phone, right? I found out that cow bone is used for animal feed. I have never heard of that before. It is used for ceramic, it is used for glue, it is used for fertilizer, and it is even exported. Can you imagine? In my research, I found out that selling the cow bone, the way it is fresh, it is not profitable at all. The profitability in this business is based on the processing of this cow bone. So how do you process? You go get this cow bone, you wash it, you dry it. Either you can either sun dry it or you can dehydrate it, whichever. Then you package it, then send to the company that are in need of this bone as their raw material. Okay, if this sounds like what you would like to give a try, I would say you should go back, sit down and do your thorough research. Okay, first thing first, how to go into this business is to find out the companies that uses this cow bone as their raw materials. Do a thorough research. Okay, look out for companies that are into tiles, that are into glues, that are into fertilizers, that are into animal feeds. Okay, you can do more research, but these are the ones I found throughout my research. So look out for these companies. You can reach out to them, that you can be supplying them dry cleaned bone. Okay, now once that is done, start going to slaughters, right? Start going to slaughters, meet those people that kill, that slaughters this cow, have an agreement with them. I will be coming to get these bones. The ones that know the value, the importance of it may say, okay, come and buy it. But buying it in the fresh state will not be that expensive. So look for 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, as much as you can. Okay, slaughters that slaughter this cow. Have an agreement with them. Each day, go to these slaughters, gather the bones, go back to your factory, wash them, dry it. You can sun dry it or you can dehydrate it. Pack it up, okay? But once it gets to a certain level, then you can now send to these companies. You can start up this business as a side hustle. You can also start it up as a full hustle. All right. So what I want you to do is, if you're interested in this business, please, I want you to do a thorough research. Not just say because Vicky said it's profitable. Do a thorough research. Then I am sure you're going to make a lot of money out of it. If you gain value from this video, please drop it in the comment section. And also, if you are shocked as I was when I found out about this business, also drop it in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button. Give me a like, drop a comment, okay? Give me a like, dropping a comment, sharing this video will send a signal to me that I'm doing a good job, and I'll continue to do. All right. So I'm going to see you all in my next video. I love you. Bye.